Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access the workshop on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several navigation options there, and we're going to use one of them to access the workshop. Hover your mouse over the option that says Community. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various community features that Steam offers. From this menu, click on Workshop. This is Steam's hub for user-generated content, where creators share custom maps, mods, skins, and all sorts of additions for your favorite games. Once the workshop page loads, take a moment to browse through what's available. You'll see featured content, popular items, and various categories displayed across the page. This is a great way to discover new content for the games you play. If you're looking for something specific, rather than just browsing, look at the right panel of your screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and start typing the name of the game or workshop content you're interested in. As you type, Steam will display suggested results below the search bar. Simply click on your preferred option from the suggestions to navigate to that specific workshop section. Now, on the left panel of the workshop page, you'll notice a variety of filters available. These filters help you narrow down exactly what kind of content you're looking for, whether it's by category, tags, or other sorting options. This makes it much easier to find content that matches your preferences. Click on your preferred filter option from the left panel. This will refine the results displayed and show you workshop items that match your selected criteria. The page will update to reflect your choices, presenting you with a more targeted selection of content. From the filtered results, browse through the available workshop mods and click on the one that catches your interest. This will open the items page where you can see detailed information, screenshots, and descriptions about what the mod or content includes. If you found something you want to use in your game, simply click the subscribe button. Once you do this, Steam will automatically begin downloading the workshop item. The beauty of the workshop is that subscribed items are managed directly through Steam, so they'll be ready to use in your game without any complicated installation process. And that's it! You now know how to access and use Steam's workshop feature to enhance your gaming experience with community-created content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.